This is PTE Core Write From Dictation practice video. You will listen a sentence, after that timer starts for your writing. Once writing time is over, you can see the answer sentence in text which you listened.
The sea level going up shows the climate change. The sea level going up shows the climate change. There are many ways to manage a business well. There are many ways to manage a business well. The Assembly decided to give more power to local places. The Assembly decided to give more power to local places. Make sure you're not late, class starts on time. Make sure you're not late, class starts on time. Social psychology is about how people act. Social psychology is about how people act. You can buy things for school at the shop. You can buy things for school at the shop. We can all meet in the main school office. We can all meet in the main school office. You need a good ruler to measure things right. You need a good ruler to measure things right. We let people come and look at the school. We let people come and look at the school. They found a laptop in the place where they study. They found a laptop in the place where they study. Our school has lots of different things for students. Our school has lots of different things for students. After university, you might need more training. After university, you might need more training. Sugar consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Sugar consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Cells in animals and plants are kind of similar. Cells in animals and plants are kind of similar. Kids learn their first language easily. Kids learn their first language easily. Students need to clean their hands before coming in. Students need to clean their hands before coming in. The government should help colleges and universities. The government should help colleges and universities. Sign up now if you want to go to the conference. Sign up now if you want to go to the conference. We have good ways to learn how the brain works. We have good ways to learn how the brain works. Plan your study time to do well in exams. Plan your study time to do well in exams. The new professor will teach their first chemistry class. The new professor will teach their first chemistry class. We want everyone in our department. We want everyone in our department. Getting enough money for research is very important. Getting enough money for research is very important. This website is made to be easy for people to use. This website is made to be easy for people to use. Doing exercises regularly is good for your health. Doing exercises regularly is good for your health. We need to study more to make sure about this thing. We need to study more to make sure about this thing. Both students and staff can buy parking passes. Both students and staff can buy parking passes. You can talk to many people for your research. You can talk to many people for your research. You should hand in your essay next semester. You should hand in your essay next semester. You can email any tutor if you have questions. You can email any tutor if you have questions. Leaders from around the world need to talk. Leaders from around the world need to talk. The summary covers all the main points. The summary covers all the main points. Software companies are coming up with new things. Software companies are coming up with new things. Researchers are dealing with problems and finding answers. Researchers are dealing with problems and finding answers. The class schedule gives you lots of time to study. The class schedule gives you lots of time to study. Important parts of this argument seem to be missing. Important parts of this argument seem to be missing. The next lecture will discuss causes of global warming. The next lecture will discuss causes of global warming. You can find books on economic topics. You can find books on economic topics. Research shows that these two things are closely connected. Research shows that these two things are closely connected. You need to hand in your work by Friday. You need to hand in your work by Friday. It's good for students to check their own attendance. It's good for students to check their own attendance. Think about all the facts before you make a decision. Think about all the facts before you make a decision. Lots of people still love listening to the radio. Lots of people still love listening to the radio. Science is really important in how we live today. Science is really important in how we live today. You must wear safety goggles to protect your eyes. You must wear safety goggles to protect your eyes. Only some people are allowed to join this group. Only some people are allowed to join this group. Every 4 years, people vote for a new president. Every 4 years, people vote for a new president. Make sure you bring everything you need with you. Make sure you bring everything you need with you. Our class is going to be split into 2 groups. Our class is going to be split into 2 groups. Please make sure to read the chapter. Please make sure to read the chapter.